Hello student, in this video we will see the next point of the first chapter, isomorphism. This is the last point of the chapter. Isomorphism means, first of all, iso means what and morph means what. Iso means same and meaning of morph is nothing but the structure. Isomorphism means same structure. Sometimes two graphs look different but they represent same graph, then these two graphs are isomorphic graphs. Means suppose we have some example of isomorphism and it is about is these two graphs are isomorphism. Then first of all we look at the two graph structure. If they represent the same structure, then we can say that these two graphs are isomorphism, or if not, then these two graphs are not isomorphism. First definition, let G1 of V1 E1 and G2 of V2 E2 be two graphs. The graphs G1 and G2 are said to be isomorphic if there is bijective function Fv mapping V1 to V2 and Fe mapping E1 to E2, such that if U and V are n vertices of some edges E belongs to E1, then Fe of U, Fe of V are n vertices of Fe of E. Means these two function Fe mapping V1 to V2, Fe mapping E1 to E2. If U and V are n vertices of some edges E belongs to E1, means here U and V are the n vertices of some edges belongs to E1. Then Fe of U and Fe of V are n vertices of Fe of E. Note, adjacency between vertices is preserved. For example, following two graphs G1 and G2 are isomorphic. By using the note, we show that these two graphs are isomorphic. Which note? Adjacency between vertices is preserved. First, G1 look like this, G2 look like this. G1, G2. Now to show that these two graphs are isomorphic, first G1 has 4 vertices, G2 has also 4 vertices. Total number of edges of G1 1, 2, 3, 4 and G2 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why these two graphs are isomorphic. Also, for our simplicity, we used another method to show that these two graphs are isomorphic. Here, this is the common thing. Here, number of vertices in G1 is equal to 4. Also, number of vertices in G2 is equal to 4. And number of edges in G1 is equal to 4. Also, number of edges in G2 is equal to 4. Now, in graph G1, for graph G1, first write down the vertex of G1, next degree of that vertex, and next column is for degree of adjacent vertices. Adjacent vertices means, here adjacent vertices means for P vertices, adjacent vertices are nothing but the Q and R. Similarly, for Q adjacent vertices PS, for R adjacent vertices PS, and for S adjacent vertices of SR are Q. First write down the vertex of G1, PQRS. PQRS. Next, degree and degree of adjacent vertices. Degree of P is nothing but the 2. 1, 2. And degree of adjacent vertices of P are nothing but the QR, and degree of these two vertices are 1, 2, degree of Q is 2 and degree of R is also 2. So degree of adjacent vertices 2, 2. Degree of Q is 2 and degree of adjacent vertices of Q, P and S are the adjacent vertices of Q, and degree of PS are nothing but the 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Degree of R is 1, 2. And degree of adjacent vertices of R, adjacent vertices of R are nothing but the PS, and degree of PS are nothing but the 2, 2. 2, 2. Similarly for S, degree of S is 2 and degree of adjacent vertices of S is 2, 2. Now for graph G2, in graph G2 write down the vertex, next degree, and next column is for degree of adjacent vertices. Adjacent vertices. Vertex of G2, W, X, Z, Y. W, X, Z, Y. Degree of W is 1, 2. And degree of adjacent vertices of W, adjacent vertices of W are X and Y. So degree of X and Y 1, 2, 1, 2. 2, 2. Degree of X 2 and degree of adjacent vertices of X are adjacent vertices of X, W and Z. Adjacent vertices means X पासून ज्या एजेस निघतायत त्या कोणत्या व्हर्टेक्सला मिळतात, W आणि Z ला, म्हणून ते X चे adjacent vertices झाले. सिमिलरली फॉर एव्हरी व्हर्टेक्स. आणि X पासून किती एजेस निघतात, 2, म्हणून X ची डिग्री झाली 2. W ची डिग्री काय झाली, 2. कशी झाली, W पासून किती एजेस निघतात, 2. सिमिलरली Z पासून 2 एजेस निघतात, म्हणून Z ची डिग्री पण 2 झाली. So degree of X is 2 and degree of adjacent vertices of X are also 2, 2. Similarly for Z and Y, degree of Z is 2 and degree of adjacent vertices of Z are nothing but the 2, 2. Degree of Y is 2, degree of adjacent vertices of Y are nothing but the 2, 2. Now look at these two tables. You can see that these two tables are same, only vertex are different. So that is adjacency of vertices is preserved. That is adjacency of vertices preserves. Therefore G1 and G2, therefore G1 and G2 are isomorphic graphs. Okay. Now next example, determine if the following graphs are isomorphic. G1 graph and G2 graph. First of all, number of vertices in G1 is equal to number of vertices in G1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, number of vertices in G2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal to number of vertices in G2. Now, number of edges in G1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And number of edges in G2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in graph G1, form the table. First vertex, next degree, And next, degree of adjacent vertices. Degree of adjacent vertices. Vertex A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Degree of A 1, 2, 3. Degree of adjacent vertices of A 1, 2. First of all, which are the adjacent vertices of A, B, E and D? And degree of adjacent vertices 2, 2. For this 1, 2, 3 and for this 2. Degree of A is 2. Degree of adjacent vertices of A 2, 3, 2. Degree of B 1, 2. Degree of adjacent vertices of B. Adjacent vertices of B are A, C. Degree of these two vertices 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So degree of A is 3. Also degree of C is 3. Similarly for C, D, E, F, G, H. Degree of C is 3. 1, 2, 3. Degree of adjacent vertices of C 1, 2, 1, 2. Sorry, adjacent vertices of C are D, G, B. So degree of B is 2, degree of G is 3, degree of D is 2. So 2, 3, 2. Degree of D is 2. Degree of adjacent vertices of D are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Means 3, 3. Degree of E 1, 2, 3. Adjacent vertices of E are A, F, G. Degree of A is 3. Write down 3. Next, degree of F is 2. Next, degree of H is also 2. Next, degree of F 1, 2. Degree of adjacent vertices of F are E, G. Adjacent vertices of F, E, G. Degree of E, G are nothing but the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, 3. Degree of G 3. Degree of adjacent vertices of G are 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Degree of H 2. Degree of adjacent vertices of H are 3, 3. Okay. Now for the graph G2, in graph G2, first write down vertex, next degree, next degree of adjacent vertices. This is your homework. I write down directly vertex in graph G2 are PQ, RS, T, U, V, W. Degree of P 3. Degree of adjacent vertices of P 3, 3, 2. Degree of Q 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Now for the isomorphism, you can see that for graph, in graph G1, degree of A is, degree of A is 3. I write down here 2. So correct it. 3. Here also degree of P is 3. And degree of adjacent vertices of this is 2, 3, 2 and here 3, 3, 2. So 3, 2, 2 does not exist in graph G2. 3, 3, 2. here 332 and here does not exist 332. So these two graphs are not isomorphic. From above table, we can say that G1 vertex with degree 3 having degree of adjacent vertices are 332. 332 does not exist in G2. I think first of all write down from above table. We say that in G1 vertex with degree 3 having degree of adjacent vertices, in G2 with degree 3 having degree of adjacent vertices, 332 does not exist in G2. That's why G1 is not isomorphic to G2. ओके. मी याच्या अगोदर एक स्टेटमेंट काय म्हटले होते, G1 मध्ये 332चा व्हर्टेक्स आहे, पण करेक्ट करा इथं G2 मध्ये असा व्हर्टेक्स आहे ज्याचे डिग्री ऑफ ॲडजसंट व्हर्टायसेस 332 आहे, पण ते आपला G1 मध्ये एक्झिस्ट नाही. सो करेक्ट इट बाय मिस्टेक. मी काय म्हटले इथं G1 G2, त्याच्यामुळे हे G2 आहे, हे G1 आहे. सो हियर वी स्टॉप.